In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a text box in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design and locate the text box you want to reposition. Once you can see it clearly on your canvas, click directly on that text box to select it. This is important because Canva needs to know exactly which element you want to move before you make any changes. When the text box is selected, you'll usually see a border appear around it, which lets you know it's active and ready to be adjusted. Next, click and drag the text box to the position where you want it to go. As you drag, move slowly and watch how the text interacts with the rest of your design. This helps you place it in a way that looks balanced and intentional. If you're working with titles, subtitles, or captions, it can be helpful to think about spacing and readability as you move the text. Try not to place it too close to the edge unless that's part of the style you're aiming for. If the text box is almost in the right place but needs a little fine-tuning, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to make small, precise adjustments. This is one of the easiest ways to get cleaner placement, especially when dragging by hand feels a little too rough. Each tap nudges the text box slightly, so you can line it up more accurately without overcorrecting. This is especially useful when you want your design to look polished and professional. As you position your text, pay attention to Canva's guides and alignment lines. These visual helpers appear automatically and can make it much easier to keep your text neat and properly aligned with other elements on the page. For example, they can help you center your text, line it up with images, or make sure multiple text boxes are evenly placed. Using these guides can save time and improve the overall look of your design. Take a moment to check the final placement once you're done. A well-positioned text box can make your design easier to read and more visually appealing. Small adjustments often make a big difference, so don't be afraid to move it a few times until it feels right. And that's how to move a text box in Canva.